HPE Stock Analysis tomorrow and onward. In this 1-minute video, I'm telling you whether Hewlett Packard Enterprise stock is a buy or not for me, especially now with a 2% increase in price. The only thing that I'm going to look to do from here, is I was very happy, to just get involved and start buying, but I kind of missed this movement. Therefore, on the lower time frame, the way that I'm expecting to double down on this is if there's some sort of a double break. And that's me perfectly being fine with the waiting game, being patient, right? Like I do have previous receipts with HPE in the Discord. So there's like really no, I don't know why it's not showing. Yeah, I do have HPE here. I don't know why TAM is showing as well, but probably some sort of glitch. But other than that, yeah, I do have previous receipts on HPE. And if you do want to learn how to make it 5 to 10K per month trading and want to stay tuned, then just click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I will continue to keep you updated. Goodbye and enjoy.